How to change Shein account password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Shein app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the gear icon at the top right. Then click on Manage My Account. In Manage My Account, you'll find Change Password. Click on Change Password. Simply type in your old password, then click your new password. Make sure you confirm it, then press on Submit at the bottom. After that, your password will be changed in your Shein account. And if you need to log into your account, you can use the new password to log in. This is how to change Shein account password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.